Come here, Diesel. Good boy, go. What's it? Go. Outside, outside. Go. Outside. Let's go. Go outside. Go outside. Ew. Ew. Oh, dirty booty ass. Oh, I didn't see you there. What's going on, guys? I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I've been doing all kinds of stuff. Since my last post, I have been invited to be on a TV show hosted by The Rock. That's right, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
Today we are witnessing some of the toughest competitors the world has to offer.
I'll actually be in LA for the premiere, and you guys will get to see my involvement with the show. I can't say much, but what I can say is it's going to be epic. The Rock put together a crazy production, a crazy crew, and an awesome lineup of people. I made some lifelong friends that I'll never forget, and the experience was truly once in a lifetime. So make sure you guys tune in January 3rd and for the entire season, and be on the lookout for me. I've been very absent from YouTube, doing all kinds of stuff. I wanted to kind of update you guys. I recently just went to Africa, Uganda, with the Sonia Nabeta Foundation to help Type 1 kids at Camp Ikora. 2019, I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos, a lot more vlogs, and updating you guys on what I'm doing with my fitness journey, my business. I don't know where career-wise I'm going exactly. I have a new workout thing that's coming out called the Daily Lean Challenge on my website, so people can work with me really affordably instead of paying thousands of dollars. 2019 is going to be an experience. We'll see what happens from this show and from all the other business stuff that I'm doing. I'll keep you guys posted, and I promise to post more YouTube videos regularly. 2018 was probably the best and worst year of my life. There was some awesome things that really happened, including this TV show and different talks, going to Africa, which you guys will see the video when I post that. But working with the hand, learning how to use this more. I'm still not proficient at it. I know I've posted a few videos showing me picking up things and how it works, but I still honestly suck at using this. It's not easy to use, and honestly I haven't practiced enough. I just have not practiced enough with this hand, and that's what I need to do more of. So for those of you that really engage with me here on YouTube, I want to know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see more of me using my prosthetic, even if it's funny stuff like smashing eggs and smashing things or grabbing things? Or do you want to know more about fitness or just vlogs in general? I kind of need some help from you to figure out what exactly you guys want me to post. So if you could comment below and let me know, that would help me out a lot. So aside from changing my position for dramatic effect in my videos, as you can see from this video, one of my biggest goals for 2019 is to just speak more. I've been speaking for about 2 years professionally, you know, paid and unfortunately unpaid gigs. I just can't turn down helping kids, especially when it comes to kids with disabilities or diabetes. I speak to all groups, including teens, adults, about adversity, nutrition, and mindset in general. And public speaking or professional speaking is my #1 goal in life. So I'm going to be uploading a lot more speaking videos on YouTube, on my website, and on Instagram. That's like a life fulfillment thing for me. I love lifting, I love doing all this other stuff, but speaking is my true passion, and I just want to impact people's lives through, you know, speaking.
Any other goals?
Anything else?
Yeah, besides make money.
Besides make money. I want to make money. Other goals in 2019 are get back to the platform for sure. I want to get back to powerlifting. I haven't competed in 2 years. With all the traveling between competing for Titan Games and then going to Africa, I lost like 15 pounds of quality size and it's really impacted kind of like my drive and stuff. So getting back into powerlifting and potentially doing a bodybuilding or classic physique competition this year would be huge goals for me as well. And just traveling more with my fabulously beautiful girlfriend, who's holding the camera very steadily as she falls right now, or zooms out for dramatic effect.
Oh no, my leg was hurting.
Oh, her leg was hurting. Okay, that's it. So since speaking is one of my biggest goals, I've posted some of my talks on here and on Instagram, but I figure I'd give you guys a little taste of like how I speak. It's not like Tony Robbins or E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher, any of that crazy like, if you can't breathe, you gonna get it. None of like that. I'm just gonna show you, like, I like to use things like, to me, life is like skipping rocks. So sometimes it doesn't fucking work. All right, guys, it's getting dark. We're running out of light. We're gonna go eat. I will update you guys later. Diesel, get out of the water. I'll update you guys later.
Slowest thumbs up.
All right, bye. That motivational turn. I don't know what else to say. Okay, turn it off.